One of the best things that you can do in any language is to compliment somebody. These compliments can be on what a person did and how a person looks or what a person has. Now you can hit the like button below this video. That's how you can compliment me. Thank you very much. Now, in this video, you will have 10 very short conversations. You can learn how to pay a compliment and how to respond when somebody pays a compliment. After I finish reading out each short conversation, you can repeat those lines. Okay, that's how you can practice them. Yeah, here we go. The first conversation. How nice you look. Thanks. Now you repeat those lines. The next conversation. I like your shirt. The color is terrific. Thank you. The next conversation. That's a splendid idea. Thanks. I'm glad you like it. The next conversation. You finished the work in record time. Really? I'm not sure about it actually. The next conversation. You have a beautiful voice. Thank you very much. The next conversation now. You can't have been married 25 years. You look so young. It's nice of you to say so. Another conversation. This dress looks stunning on you. Thanks a lot. The next conversation. You look lovely with your hair short. Thanks for the compliment. Another one. I wish I could sing like you. It's nice of you. The next conversation. You got a great sense of style, Thank you very much. That's it in this video. By the way, have you clicked that bell icon to enable notifications? Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.